Well, we ended up spending the first half of this Saturday helping my grandma look for a truck. In this video, we're going to be making some money. Grind never stops. Next part of the day, next couple hours, we're going to be pressure washing. Picked up a job off Facebook, $150. Gonna hit the full walls and patio. $150 should take me about two and a half hours or so, and we're looking at you're looking at what's that? $75 an hour. All right, make money. We're getting it soaked down with some bleach. The sidewalk portion. Got some standing here, some standing here, and a bunch of it right here. Just knocked out the siding. Didn't use any bleach on that. It was not too bad. Mostly just dirt. Up here, though, we do have some more algae growth. Went ahead and soaked that down with some bleach, as well as the columns here. And let's hit it. Upcharge, baby. Anytime you can find a way to make a little bit more money when you're out at a job, don't be afraid to ask. Ask them for an extra 20 bucks. I just knocked out his older truck right here. It's a white truck. Just wash it down with some bleach. Hitting it one more time. The rims, hood, just the exterior. 20 bucks.